Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to this has to be day number one. That's day number one, week 6, spring 2025 of our journey together. That's day number one, week 6, spring 2025 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. My name is Mr. Petit. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday. Today is Monday the 10th of February, 2025. Legacy, please turn the camera. Maya, turn the camera. Kerrigan, turn the camera. Our subject is, of course, mathematics. And the topic is, we're just going to be looking at past paper questions today. All right. All right, so let's begin with our first question. So number one. So let's say you have let's say we have 9 and 1/6 plus 1/2. So we have 9 and 1/6, and we have to add it to 1/2. Does any one of you know how to do this?
I think I know it.
What was the first thing?
Do we multiply 9 times 6 and add plus 1?
Very good. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this mixed number and change it into a improper fraction, right? So we're gonna take this number and change it into improper fraction. How do we do that? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to what?
Multiply.
9 times 6 and add what?
Plus 1.
Add the 1. Very good. It's gonna be equal to
55/6.
What is 9 times 6?
54.
What is 9 times 6?
54.
Plus 1?
55.
55. Very good. So it's gonna be 55 over what? 55 over what? 55 over 6.
Because we keep the denominator.
We keep the denominator plus what?
1/2.
Plus 1/2. Very good. Plus 1/2. Now our goal here is to, we want to make the denominators the same. So how are we going to make the denominators the same? We have to find the what?
LCM.
LCM. Very good. We have to find the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 6. So let's list the multiples of 2.
2, 4, 6.
2, 4.
4. 2, 4, 6, 8.
6, 8.
8.
10.
12.
And the list goes on, right? What are the multiples of 6?
6. 12. 12.
12.
18.
No. Yeah, the multiples of 6 and 2, yeah. 6, 12. What else?
18.
18. Very good. 18. What else? And the list goes
21.
on. 24, and the list goes on. So what is the lowest common multiple of 6 and 2?
6.
What is the lowest common multiple of 6 and 2?
6.
6. Very good. So we're gonna circle this. So the lowest common, the LCM, right? The LCM is equal to what? Is equal to, what is the LCM? 6. Very good.
6.
All right, so the LCM is 6. Kylie, turn the camera, please. Where's Kylie? Kylie, can you hear me? I think she's like, oh yeah, I can see you now. So the LCM is 6. So we ask ourselves, what times 6 gives us 6?
1.
1, very good. So we multiply this by
1.
1. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to
the bottom is to the top.
very good.
1.
And then we have 2. What times 2 gives us 6?
3.
3,
Three.
sorry. So we multiply this by what?
3.
3, very good. Multiply this by,
Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top.
very good. And it's gonna be equal to what? Equal to
55 over 6.
55 over
6.
55 over 6, very good. Because 55 times 1 is 55, and 6 times 1 is 6, so it's gonna be 55 over 6, plus
3
What is
over
3 over
6.
6.
what is 2 times 3?
6.
6, very good. And what is 1 times 3?
1.
Three.
I mean,
What is 1 times 3?
3.
3.
3, very
3.
good. Very good. So now we have to add these two fractions. Let me add them, we get what?
58 over 6.
58 and 12. 58 over 12.
Class, do we add the denominators?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
We keep them.
We
No,
do not-
sir.
We do not add the denominators. So it's gonna keep the 6, right?
If you add that, you automatically fail.
Yeah, 55 plus 3 is what?
58.
58, very good. So it's 58 over 6. And we divide, so we say 6 into 58. Okay. How many times? Well, let me put this above. Let me put this above. So 6 into 58. How many times does 6 go into 58?
9 times.
9 times, very good. What is 6 times 9?
54.
54, very good. So we subtract 58 minus 54, it gives us what? Just 4. So what does that mean? That means
The answer is 9 over
That's 6.
So we
That's
have
9.
so the whole number is
That's
9, right? The
Nine,
denominator,
four,
It's going to be a mixed number.
yeah, the denominator is what?
6.
6.
Very good. And the numerator is what?
4.
4.
The numerator is 4, very good. It's gonna be what? 9.
9 over
9.
4.
9 and 4 over
6.
6.
9 and 4 over 6, very good. But we're not done because we could simplify this further. What could go into both 4 and 6?
2.
2.
2, very good.
No, my point exactly, like he anticipated.
So we have, let me make this smaller so we could have this, have more space. So we have 9 and 4 over 6. All right, we have to divide top and bottom by what? We have to divide top and bottom by
2.
2.
2.
It's gonna be equal to, what is it, 9 and what?
2 over 3.
9 and
9 and 2 over 3.
9 and 2 over 3. Now, the way we get 2 over 3 is because 4 divided by 2 is just 2. And 6 divided by 2 is just 3. So the answer is 9 and 2 over 3. 9 and 2 over 3. Anyone have any questions on this? Let me know, please, if you have any questions. How many persons understand how I got my answer? How many of you
I
understand?
understand.
I understand.
How many of you understand? Carrie, can you understand how I got this?
So,
How about you, Adai? You understand?
pardon me?
Do you understand how I got this?
So,
And Adaya, do you understand how I got this?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing this down or you are not paying attention?
I am paying attention.
Are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And where is Seth here? Oh no. Kylie, do you understand how I got 9 and 2 over 3?
Pardon me?
Do you understand how I got 9 and 2 over 3?
Yes, sir.
Explain how I got 9 and 2 over 3.
Pardon me?
Explain it.
Explain how you got
Explain how I got 9 and 2 over 3.
from the top.
Yeah, from the top, yes.
I wasn't here for that. I just come. So I saw you did the rest.
Okay, that's why I asked you if you understand how I got it. Let's start from here. What did I do here? I have 9 and 1 over 6. What did I do?
You do 9 times 6.
Yeah, I do 9 times 6. And then what else?
You add 1.
Add 1 and that gives us what?
55.
55, very good. So I changed this mixed number into a what? Improper fraction, right?
And proper fraction.
So I have 1 over 2 and I put that here. Then here I notice that my denominators are different. So what I'm gonna try to do is my denominator is different. I want to make the denominators to what?
Same.
The same. So I've defined the LCM. What is the LCM of 6 and 2?
LCM of 6 and 2 is 6.
Very good. And we found that out by listing out the multiples of 2, listing out the multiples of 6, and figuring out which one is common. So we asked ourselves, what times 6 is 6? What
2
times,
times 3.
no, what times 6 is 6? What times 6 is 6?
1.
1, very good. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top, right? What times 2 is 6?
3.
3, so 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. Then what we do at this point, explain from here.
We add.
Go ahead, explain it from here.
Add 55 plus 3 and keep the same denominator.
Very good. So 55 over 8. What we do at this point?
We go to the same, we divide
Divide what?
6 and 58.
Very good. So we say 50 divided by 6. And what does that give us? 9 and 4 over 6, right?
4. This is
Then we have to simplify this fraction. 4 divided by 2 is what?
2,
And 6 divided by 2 is what?
3,
So the answer is what? What's the final answer?
9 and 2 over 3.
Very good. 9 and 2 over 3. 9 and 2 over 3. Lincoln, please turn your camera. Where's Lincoln? Lincoln, turn your camera as well.
Mr. Petit,
Uh-huh.
that's how you're supposed to spell February.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Adaya, you know how to do this?
Pardon?
Do you know how to do this?
Not really.
You don't know how to do this?
Not really.
Okay, what's the first thing we do here?
You multiply the two denominators.
Right here. What do we do here?
U times 9. Oh no, U times 9 and 6.
Mm-hmm. And that gives us what?
54.
What we do after that?
Add the 1 to the answer.
Good. So we have 55 over 6 plus 1 over 2. And then after that, what we do is that we have to find the LCM. We find LCM by listing the multiples of 2, listing the multiples of 6. And that's how we find the LCM. Once you already find the LCM, Adaya, we're going to use the LCM to make 6 the lowest, to make 6 the common denominator. And then we add 55 plus 3, which gives us 58. And then we divide 58 by 6, which gives us 9 and 4 over 6. And all we need to do after that is simplify this fraction. So we divide top and bottom by 2, and that's how we got it. Let's do another example. So hopefully those persons who did not understand how to do it can understand how to do it.
Excuse me, Miss T, could you send that inside the chat because I ain't finished writing it yet.
No, we are not going, I'm not gonna move it. I'm not gonna move, I'm just gonna do a next example. All right, so let's do another example. Right. It's very important that you all are very familiar with fractions as you enter your exam. It's going to be very crucial for you.
I was just doing this today.
Sure. All right, that's excellent. Good that you get some good practice at home. So this
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I already took my exam.
Okay, that's excellent. Today, you took it today?
No, sir, I took it a long time.
Okay. So this is gonna be 9 and 2 over 6. Plus 1 over 2. All right, so for this one, what's the first thing we're gonna do? We have to do what? Take this and change it.
9 times turn into a improper fraction.
Very good, change it in improper fraction. So 9 times 6 is what?
54.
54. 54 plus 2 is what?
56.
56, so it's gonna be 56. Right? Divided by 6 plus, right? Plus 1 over 2, plus 1 over 2. So we have 56 over 6 plus 1 over 2. The next thing we need to do is we need to find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 2. How do we do that? We have to find the LCM.
The lowest common multiple is 6.
All right, so how do we do that?
6. We
We're
list
gonna write it
multiples
down.
of 6.
Yeah, so
Write down the multiples of 2 and 6.
very good. All right. Carry again, what are the multiples of 2?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Very good. 2, 4, 6, 8. And the list goes on.
12.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. What are the multiples of 6?
6, 12, 18.
6, 12, 18.
6, 12, 18,
24.
24, and the list goes on. So based on this, what is the lowest common multiple of 6 and 2?
6.
6, very good. That means that we are going to put the same. So the LCM is going to be equal to what? 6, which means that our lowest common denominator is going to be 6. So we ask ourselves, okay, what times 6 gives us 6? It's going to be what? Class, what times 6 gives us 6?
One.
One, very good. One.
Multiply the.
Whatever I do to
Multiply the
whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top.
top.
But Trinity, turn on your camera. Again, Trinity, turn on your camera. I don't know why when you come on this class, you don't turn on your camera. That don't make no sense. Trinity, you need to turn on your camera when you come online. And you know that. All right, so the next thing we have, what times 2 gives us 6?
3.
3.
3, very good.
3.
So I multiply this by what? By 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top as
Top.
well. Very good. That's
Top.
gonna be equal to 56 times 1 is what?
56.
56, very
And
good.
the 6 stays the same.
6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 times 3 is what?
3.
3. All over 2 times 3 is what?
3. 6, 6, 6, 6,
6,
6.
very good. All right, so we're gonna do at this point.
Add them.
We could add them, very good.
Uh,
Now, do we add the denominators or only the numerators?
No, so you
Numerator.
always
Numerator.
keep the
Only in the top.
denominators one side is
Very good. Lincoln, do we add the denominators or the numerators only?
Numerators only.
Very good. And Wyatt, where's Wyatt?
So,
Do we add the numerators? Sorry, do we add the denominators or only the numerators?
only the numerators.
Very good. So that means that the denominator is just gonna be what?
all over
It's the same.
It's just gonna be what?
6.
6, very good. So it's gonna be 56 plus 3. What is 56 plus 3?
59.
59, very good. And we have to, at this point, what do? We have 59 over 6. What do we do at this point?
Divide.
Divided by 6.
We have to convert this fraction into a what?
Next fraction.
A mixed fraction. Very good. So we have to divide. So we have to say 6 into what?
9.
59. How many times does 6 go into 59?
6 times.
How many
9
times does
times.
6 go into 59?
9 times.
9 times. 6 times 9 is what?
54.
What my answer?
Over here.
54. So it's gonna be 59 minus 54. 9 minus 4 is what? 9 minus
5.
It's gonna be equal to
5.
what is the whole number?
9.
9. What is the numerator?
5.
What is the denominator?
6.
So that means that it's gonna be equal to
9.
9
5 over 6.
and 5
Over 6.
over 6. Now this is good because it's already simplified. It's already in the simplest form because 5 over 6 cannot be simplified any further. So this is going to be our final answer. 9 and 5 over 6. Do we understand this or you all have any questions? Let me know please if you understand it.
I have a question, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Like how we have mixed numbers, can you ever simplify with the whole number?
It just stays just like that. Madeline, you understand how I got this?
Madeline.
Yes, sir.
Who is that? Maya, be careful how you correct me, okay? Watch your tone and the way you correct me. Where's Madeline? Where's Maya?
Right here.
You understand me? You're the student, I'm the teacher. We good?
Yes, sir.
Good. Some of y'all just get too familiar.
My mom would beat me if I did that.
Do we understand how we got this? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next question. Any other questions? Anyone have any other questions?
I have a question.
Go ahead, Trinity.
So, where do you find the LCM?
Okay, we find the LCM because we find the LCM because we need to make the denominators the same. Here, this is denominator 6, denominator is 2. So we find the LCM, which is 6. We find the LCM so that both of them could be the same. So this could be 6 and this could be 6. All right, that's why.
I have a next question.
Yes.
How do you get 6?
How I get what?
How do you get 56? Oh, never mind.
Yeah. Let's do another example. Since you have any more questions, we can do one more. Hopefully, you can understand it like that. All right. Wyatt, do you understand how I got my answer or no?
I understand.
Okay, so let's do another example. This is gonna be our last example before we go into the great exercise. Hopefully you're able to do it. So okay. So next one is going to be this number 3. Let's say we have 9. And 3/6 plus 1/2.
Mr. Betty, I can't see number 2.
It says 9 and 3/6.
Thank you.
All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. So we're gonna do what? We're gonna say 9 times, yes, Roscoe?
Is the answer 1?
No, the answer is not 1. The answer is not 1. Roscoe, you need to turn on your camera. Every time you come on this call, I told you this, and on this meeting, I tell you to do the same thing every time. That don't make no sense. Turn your camera. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply 9 times 6. What is 9 times 6?
54.
54, very good. And then we have to add what? Add 3. It's gonna be equal to
57.
57. 57 over what?
6.
57/6, very good. Plus,
6.
we keep the 1/2, so it's gonna be 1/2.
Half.
Yeah, the half. All right, next we have to find the LCM of 6 and 2. What is the LCM of 6 and 2? It's gonna be what?
4, 6,
6.
Yeah.
8.
Yes, we have to list the multiples of of 2 and list the multiples of 6. The multiples of 2 are what?
2, 4,
6, 8.
8.
Can you stop the rocking, please? That'll be great. Stop the rocking. 2, 4, 6, 8, and the list goes on, right? And then the multiples of 6, not 4, the multiples of 6.
6, 12,
The multiples of 6 would be,
18.
yeah, so 6, 12, 18.
18. I finished arithmetic.
You got your answer? Put inside the chat, let me
Yes.
see. And the list goes on. All right, so what are multiples of, so what's the lowest common multiple of these two? It's gonna be what? So the LCM, right? The LCM. It's gonna be what? LCM is going to be 6. And so we have to ask ourselves, okay, well then, what times 6 is going to be, what times 6 is going to give me 6? So what times 6 is 6?
Good.
What times 6 is 6?
1.
1, right? So it's going to be multiplied this by 1. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top, right?
Ah.
And then what times 2 is 6?
3.
3, very good. 3. 2 times.
I got my answer, Mr. Petite.
Put inside
Me
the chat.
too.
Put inside the chat. Let me see. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. It's gonna be equal to. So we have 57 times 1 is 57. 6 times 1 is definitely gonna be 6. Plus 1 times 3 is 3. All over. 2 times 3 is 6.
6.
Next, we only could add the what? Numerators, right?
Yes, sir.
So 57 plus 3 is gonna be what?
60.
60. Very good. So it's gonna be 60 over what? Over 6.
6.
And 60 divided by 6 is what? Let's go ahead
10.
and divide it. So 6 into 60. So 6 times, what number gives me 60? Gonna be 10.
10.
6 times 10 is what? 60 minus 0. And that's 0 as well. So that means that this 6 is going to be the denominator. This 10 is going to be the whole number. And this 0 is going to be the numerator. And so we left with 10 as the whole number, which is big 10. What's the numerator?
0.
0. 0. And then what's the denominator?
6.
6. So it's 10 and 0 over 6. But whenever we have 0 on top of a number that's being divided, it's just 0. So the answer is just 10. Okay. So the answer.
That's what we learned when we was doing multiplying fractions today in school.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Najara, Lincoln, Legacy, Kara. Yeah, very good. Those persons who got it. Madeline. Do you
Yes,
understand
sir.
do you understand how I got my answers?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
You need to participate more in class because I then can't see you. So I need to hear you. You understand me? Hello, Madeline. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to do that.
Excuse me, sweetie.
Mm-hmm.
Can I get the phone, please?
Yes, we can.
Thank you.
Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Excuse me, Mr. Patel.
Mm-hmm.
My mom's not here.
Okay, no problem. You haven't sent in the
Excuse
work.
me, Miss.
You haven't sent, Kylie, you haven't sent in the work from last week. You're supposed to do that when your mommy got home last week, so you need to
Yes,
do
sir,
that.
I can send it now.
Okay,
I
good.
can send it when she comes. I
Okay,
swear.
good. Okay, good. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I sent mine.
Excuse me,
Good.
Mr. Patel.
Uh-huh.
Can I get my mini phone, please?
Yes, we can. Adaya, where's Adaya?
I sent you the picture.
Adaya, you have the head up. You have the head up. If you notice at on my screen, I head up. Just like how I have it, you need to have it.
I sent my work, Mr. Petit.
No problem. Trinity, turn your camera. Roscoe, turn your camera. Najara, turn your camera. Trinity, turn your camera as well. All right, so let's go ahead and answer the rest of these questions. We're gonna do great exercise based on this, and hopefully y'all are able to get these correct. Okay, hopefully. Let me go ahead and Joel, you finished writing this down?
No, sir. I'm on the last one.
Yeah, you can't take that long to write, Joel. I don't know why you take eternity to write.
My pen did run out of ink.
I don't want to have no excuses, please. I really don't.
Yes, sir.
Everyday excuses, everyday excuses. You can't be doing that. Let's get it done. All right, so let's go ahead and do the great exercise. So add the following mixed numbers and fractions. Let's go ahead and answer these. So we have number 1. We have a 9 and 4/6 plus 1/2. Number 2, we have a 9 and 5/6 plus a half. Number 3, we have 10. And 2/3. Say 10 and 2/6. Why am I doing 10? That doesn't make sense. Why am I doing 10? Do 8. 8. 5/6. Plus a half. Number 4. We have 8. And 4/6. Plus a half. And number 5, we have 7. And 2/3. Plus a half. All right, so those are our questions. Do them to the best of your ability. Again, those are our questions. Do them to your best of your ability. All right. Lincoln, what number you on?
Number 2 going on number 3.
Okay. And Trinity, what number you on?
Going on number 2.
Go on number 2. Okay, good. Adaya, what number you on?
Number 1.
You understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I just was heading up.
Okay. Wyatt, what number you on?
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay. Brenda, not Brenda, Lorenda, what number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2, okay. Roscoe, what number you on? Roscoe, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 3, okay. Number 3.
53.
Number 3. Legacy, what number you on?
2.
Number 2. And Najara, what number you on?
4.
4. Okay.
4.
4. Okay. Legacy, what number you say you on again?
2. I'm almost done.
Number 2, okay. Kylie, what number you on?
Number 1.
Number 1, okay. And where is Roscoe? What number you say you on? And Joel, what number you on?
I'm going on number 3.
One, number 3. I don't hear from Kara again, what number you on?
I'm writing the answers down for number 1.
Okay. Maya, what number you on?
Number 4.
Number 4, okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Pete.
Mm-hmm.
Can I fill something away, please?
Yes, we can. What number you on now?
Number 2.
Number 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Mala, what number you say you on?
I'm on number 3.
Number 3, okay. And Kylie, what number you on? Kylie,
I'm still on number 2.
so number 2, okay. All right. And all right. Adaya, what number you on?
Answer number 2 on the last section.
Okay. Roscoe, what number you say you on? Roscoe,
Number 5 now.
number 5. Okay, good. That's good.
For number 5, that's a 3 or 6.
You mean at the bottom? Number 5, that's 7 and
Yes,
2
sir.
over 3. 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2.
Thank you.
All right, all right, all right.
I'm done.
Finish? That's good.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Again,
I
take
sent
it.
my work.
You sent it? Okay, good. Anyone else finished besides Najara, sorry.
Is this Mr. Petit?
Uh-huh.
I was asking, when you finish dividing it for the long division, how do you remember which one is the whole number, numerator, and denominator?
Okay, well, the one on top is the whole number. The one at the bottom is the denominator, and the one at the bottom is the numerator, and the one at the side is the numerator.
Thank you.
Right? That's how you remember. All right, besides Najara, is there anyone else who is finished with their work?
I'm almost finished.
Okay, what number you on?
5, about to finish the long division.
Okay, 5, about to finish the long division. All right.
Okay, finish now.
All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
If the numerator is 1, the fraction cannot be simplified anymore, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Can I go get another paper, please?
Yes, you can.
Excuse me,
Go ahead.
we supposed to simplify.
Wherever possible, simplify wherever possible. Some cases you're not able to simplify, and then there are some cases where you are, but simplify wherever possible.
How do you
How do you know when to simplify?
simplify a
Say it again.
How do you simplify a mixed fraction?
You simplify the way you know when to simplify is what happens is the way you know how to simplify is that what happens is there's a number that can go into both of those numbers, right? So there's a number that can go into both of them, and whatever that number is, you use that number to divide the numerator and the denominator. All right, so that's how you are able to simplify.
Excuse me, Miss Petite. I sent my work in already.
Okay, good. All right, so let's go ahead and answer these questions because we don't have all day here.
I'm finished, Mr. Petit.
Okay,
I'm about to
good.
send you.
All right, good. So for this one, for number one, go ahead. What's her name? Najara, help me with number one. What is gonna be?
Okay, first you're gonna multiply 9 times 6.
Huh?
And that's 54. So you add plus 4,
Mm-hmm.
and that's 58.
So it's gonna be
And you
58.
always keep your denominator the same. So it's 58 over 6
Good.
plus 1 over 2.
Plus 1/2. Very good. Good.
We have to make the denominators the same, so we have to find the LCM.
Good. What's the LCM of 6 and 2?
It's 6, sorry.
Very good.
6.
So
2
what
times 3
must we do?
gives
Very good. So we do next.
whatever you do at the bottom, you must do at the top.
Good.
Since 58 over 6 is times 1, it's still the same thing.
Good.
1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6.
Good.
58 plus 3 is 61.
It's gonna be 61 over what?
6.
Good. And now simplifies to what?
We can divide that now.
And what is the answer?
My answer is 10 1 over 6.
Very good. 10 and 1/6. Did anyone else get 10 and 1/6? Let me know, please, if you all got 10 and 1/6. Let me know if you all got 10 and 1/6.
I did.
I got 9. I got 9 and 1 over 6. I got that.
9. All right, let's go ahead and divide it.
I got.
Let's go ahead and divide it. Let's go ahead and divide it. How many times does 6 go into 61?
10 times.
10
Stop
times.
leaving a remainder.
Good. 6 times 10 is what?
1. Wait, no,
6
6
times
times
10 is
60.
60. Very good.
61 take away 60.
61 minus 60 is what?
1.
1. So that means that your numerator is going to be what?
1.
1.
1.
And
Your whole number is?
10.
And the denominator is?
6. Excuse me,
Yes.
Mr. Petit.
Yes.
I had a 9 instead of a 10, so that's why I
had
thought I
9.
got it wrong.
Oh,
had
yeah, be careful. It's not 9.
I had 9, that's why I
Yes,
got
sir.
it wrong.
Yeah, you have to divide it properly. 6 goes into 10. 6 goes into 61 10 times. How many persons got 10 and 1/6? Let me know, please.
I did.
I did.
Okay.
I did.
Okay.
I did.
Miss Lizzie.
Yes.
I'll get 3/6. I got 1/6.
That's because you use 9. You have to divide using you have to do 6 times 10, not 6 times 9. Understand that?
I was asking they all put 58/6 plus 3/6. I was asking I'll get 3/6.
Oh, you got 3 of us. Oh, because 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, so let's go ahead and do another one. Any volunteers for number 2?
Me.
Can I do it? Me.
Go ahead,
okay.
go ahead, Lincoln.
Okay. So we have 9 and 5 over 6 plus 1 over 2. So we're going to do is we're going to change the 9 and 5 over 6 into an improper fraction.
Good.
And to do that, we have to do 6 times 9 plus 5. So 6 times 9 is 54 plus 5 is 59. And then we keep our denominator as a 6
So we're gonna have 59 over what?
over 6
Good. Plus 1.
plus 1 over 2
Plus
or
1 over.
plus half.
Very good.
And then what we're going to do next is that we're going to find the LCM
Good.
of the two denominators, which is
Good.
the 2 and the 6.
Good. What is the LCM?
And the LCM for 2 and 6 is 6. So 2 can go into 6 3 times, and whatever goes to the bottom goes to the top.
Mm-hmm.
And whatever, and 6 goes into itself once, and whatever goes to the bottom goes to the top.
Mm-hmm.
And so now we're going to change these fractions. So 59 and 59 over 6 will be 59 over 6.
Mm-hmm.
And 1 over 2 will be 3 over 6.
Very good.
And then now that our denominators are alike, now we can actually add.
Good.
So 59 plus 3 is 62.
So it's 62 over.
6.
Very good.
And now, but our numerator is bigger than the denominator, so now we have to divide.
Good. What you get when you divide it?
6 divided by 62 is 10,
Good.
and 6 times 10 is 60.
Mm-hmm.
So now we subtract 60 and 62, and then we got 2. So 10 is our whole number, 2 is our numerator, and we stick with the 6 as our denominator.
Very good.
But the 2 over 6 can still be simplified.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're going to simplify the 2 of them by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 6 divided by 2 is 3.
Very good.
So now our new fraction is going to be 1 over 3.
Very good. 1 over 3. Did anyone else get 10 and 1 over 3? 10 and 1 over 3.
I got that.
I did.
Maya.
I got
I got that.
I did.
I did.
Got
I also got that.
Good.
I did.
Who did not
I
get this?
almost put the 9.
Who did not get this? Who did not get this right?
I didn't get it.
Legacy, what you got?
10, 2 over 6.
Oh, you leave it like that. You didn't simplify it.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
Anyone else who did not get this? Why did you get this?
Yes, sir.
And Roscoe, did you get this?
No, sir.
What you got?
I got 10 and 1 6.
This is for number 2?
Oh, no, sir. No, sir.
Number 2, what you got? For number 2, what you got?
10 and 2 6.
Did you simplify it?
No, sir.
So go ahead and simplify your answer. By the way, turn on your camera. I keep on telling you the same thing. Turn on your camera.
Excuse me, Mr. Boutique.
Yes.
I didn't get it right.
You didn't get it right? What you got?
10 and 0 over 6.
So you have to be careful. Did you get 62 over 6? Right there?
6. No, so I got 60.
How you got 60?
First, I added 6 times 6. And then first I times 9 times 6, then
Uh-huh.
I added the final answer from 9 times 6 plus 5,
And I
and
guess, uh-huh.
then I got 59 over 6 plus 1 over 2.
Mm-hmm. What you did after that?
And I added it and I got 60.
No, you can't do 1 over 2. You have to do 3 over 6. That's your problem.
Hmm.
Trinity, you see it? You see what I'm saying? You can't use 1 over 2.
Yes, sir.
You have to change this 1 over 2 and multiply it by 3. All right, that's your problem. So please correct that. Correct that, Trinity. Correct that. All right, let's go ahead and do another one. Someone was asking to do number 3.
Me.
That was me. That was me. That was me.
That was legacy.
Legacy, okay. All right, go ahead.
Okay. We say 8 and 5 over 6 plus 1 over 2. We say 6 times 8, which is,
What is 6 times 8?
wait, yeah. 6 times 8 plus 5 is 53.
So what is 6 times 8? Legacy, it shouldn't take you long to answer that question. What is 6 times 8? So you need to learn your timetables, Legacy.
Sorry, 48. I don't know it like that.
All right, that means you have to learn it. What is 6 times 8?
48.
Plus 5?
53.
So 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So it's gonna be what?
53 over 6 plus 1 over 2. And then we have to say, we have to change the denominators to 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top.
Mm-hmm.
So we say 53 times 1. 1 times 3. 53 and 3. And then we add that, and it's 56 over 3. I mean, 56 over 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then we divide it, which gives us 9 and 2 over 6. Then we say 9 and 2 over 6.
Wait, so we have 53 over 6. All right, plus what? 1 times 3 is what?
3.
Good. And 2 times 3 is?
I go with you. Well,
6.
no, I can't. I have Bible study in 15 minutes. That's why I didn't go myself.
Equal to 53 plus 3 is what?
With that one
56
is 7. I have another one.
over
So the new
6.
one.
Over
Please
6.
show one at 7.
Then we have to divide
This
it.
one at
6 times
That
9
is
is 54.
So it's gonna be
the lady from Gentle Court.
6. No, 9 and 2 over 6.
9 and 2 over 6.
No, she was working on before one though.
All right, so 9 and 2 over 6. So did anyone else get 9? Wait, and we have to simplify this.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Divided by 2.
Divide by 2. That's gonna be what? 9 and 1 over 3. Did anyone else get 9 and 1 over 3?
I got
I
that.
did. I
This
did.
is,
I
this
got
is,
it.
see,
Good. Yes, go ahead.
I didn't get past number 3 because I had to get a new paper, and then when I came back, he was already answering it. So I didn't get to finish number 4 and
You have
5.
to write it down, Adaya. You write it down. Did anyone else get 9 and 1 over 3?
I did.
I did. I did.
I did.
All right, good.
I did.
I
Where-
did.
Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, I'm not hearing you. Did you get the answer for number 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Go ahead.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
So just now, I had the right answer for number 3, but I thought it was on number 4, and I did do it over. So I'm just gonna put the correct answer that I have for number 4 on this side.
Okay, that's no problem. What's the name now? Wyatt. I need you to do number 4. How are we gonna get number 4? Wyatt? Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I need you to explain how we're gonna get our answer for number 4.
Yes, sir.
So go ahead and explain it.
8 times 6 is, 8 times 6 is 48.
Uh-huh.
48 plus 4.
What is 48 plus 4?
52.
48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Uh-huh.
52 over 6.
Go ahead, 52 over 6.
Then you add it. You didn't add it. You put 1 over 2 on the side.
Okay.
Then you have to make it the same denominator.
Plus 1 over 2. Very good.
Two 6 isn't the 2. What
So we have to do at this point.
times it by 3
Mm-hmm.
and times the top by 3. So you get 3 over 6.
It's gonna be 52 over what?
6
Over 6. Plus what?
plus 3 over 6.
Very good. Plus 3 over 6. That's gonna be equal to what?
55 over 6.
55 over 6. Very good.
Then you divide it.
Uh-huh.
A lot of people didn't get that. Almost the whole grade.
And when you divide it, what you get?
You divide it and you get
9 and what? What did y'all get, class? 9 and what?
1 over 6.
1
9 and 1 over 6.
9 and 1 6. I got that.
Anyone else got that for number 4?
I did.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excellent.
I'm not 17.
Very good. Very good. Go ahead. Uh-huh.
Can it be a fraction? Because of the 1.
What do you mean it couldn't be a fraction? Just no. It said if it's at the bottom, not at the top. Okay, finally. Maya, number 5.
So the first thing that you have to do is multiply 3 times 7, which is 21. Then 21 plus 2, which would give you 23.
Mm-hmm.
And put the 3 back. And then 1, 2 back.
All right, what else?
You have to find the LCM.
Okay. What is the LCM of 3 and 2?
6.
Go ahead.
And whatever you do to the top, you have to do to the bottom. What equals to 3 would be 2 times 3 and 1 times 3. So
Okay.
then 23 times 2 which would give you 46. And then put this 23 times 2 is 46
Okay, 46.
plus 1 times 3 is 3.
Mhm.
Then 3 times 2 is 6.
Good.
4. Then put the 6 back down.
Uh-huh. Gonna be equal to what?
And when you divide it, you get
What you get when you divide it? What you got when you divide it? What you got?
I got
Anyone got 8
I
and
got
1? 8 and 1 over
I
6?
got
I
8.
got it.
I got
I with
Okay.
I got it.
All
yes,
right.
sir.
I simplified it.
5 out of 5. Anyone? 5 out of 5. 5
I
out of
got
5.
5
5 out
out
of 5.
5 out of
I
5.
got 5 out of 5.
I got 5 out of 5 as well.
5 out of 5.
Yay,
I got 4 out of
100%.
All right. 4 out of 5. Anyone? 4 out of 5.
I got 4 out of 5.
4 out of
Me.
5. 4 out of 5. 4 out of
I
5.
didn't finish number 5.
Okay.
I all of them.
Okay. All right. That's what I want you to do. Take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. If you have already done that, then you can leave. But those of us who haven't sent in their work, please take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp.
Bye, Mr. Petit.
Yes, have a wonderful evening. I'll see you all tomorrow.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
Mr. Petit. Thank you for teaching our class.
Thank you as well.
Bye, Miss Petite. Thank you for
Bye, Miss
teaching us
Petite.
today.
Take care. Thank you too. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I sent you my mark.
Bye.
All right. Thanks. Take care.